Hello and welcome. If you're a Sec 4 student doing revision for O-levels, here is a very popular question type on direct and inverse proportion. Let's do it together. So first of all, the first sentence says P is inversely proportional to the cube of Q. Yeah, be careful of the phrasing. From this first sentence, we can write down P is inversely proportional to the cube of Q. Next, a change in Q produces a change in P. Yep, that is true. And the third sentence, when the value of Q is doubled. Okay, so this is a kind of like comparing what happens when we change the value of, say, one of the variables, one of the letters. So what I suggest is that we create two different sets of values, P and Q, right? Very simply this way. Okay, you don't actually need real numbers, or, you just need to use, say, P1, Q1 and P2, Q2. Let me write that properly. Okay, so I will let this be, say, the original value. Okay, so this is P1 and Q1, and if I double Q1, because that's what the question wants, if I double the value of Q, I'll get Q2. So I can say something like Q2 is double of Q1. Okay, so if this is true, then I can substitute this one inside here. I can replace this Q2 with 2Q1. So let's rewrite that. P2 is actually K times of double of the original Q value, Q. And let's expand that out. We'll get K over 8 Q1Q. I'm going to write the 8 separately as a fraction in front, 1 over 8 times K of Q1Q. You might wonder, why do you need to separate the 1 out of 8? And that is because then we get this term over here, which looks exactly like this. Okay, so I can replace this thing over here with P1, which means that P2 is equals to 1 over 8 of P1. Okay, my new value of P is 1 out of 8 of the original value of P before I double Q1. Okay, so let's go back and read the question. But before that, let's write down what we found. P2 is 1 over 8 of P1. So when the value of Q is doubled, the value of P changes. So this new value of P changes, okay, by a factor of M. So this is a factor of M. So find the value of M. M is 1 over 8. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in another video.